Alright, listen up, trooper. We know that the infection came from right over there. But there's a lot of them. But I gotta bring some shield. Alright, stick with this. Take down that sniper. Messed. Got him. But a lot of enemy hostile coming for us that I see coming this way. We must find the infections where they're spreading. Right now, they already know we're here. I got a new helmet, but I can do upgrade this goggles. Upgrade the goggles, you can see the movement better with it. Anyways, prepare yourself. Gotta be more a big mess going on. We will end this infection and the banished is dead. Take them all down. Go, 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 go. Heck. Go die, troopers. I got shield damage. Okay, and now we're clear for that. Taking an assault rifle. Weapons, the clone trooper blaster, I take some. Well, some of you, be careful. Idiots don't know how. My troopers don't know how to go around it. I don't know about this one. Oh, that's just too bright. Okay, nothing around here, nothing infection. We must secure the place for the infection spread. Nothing. What about... Then check. There are some. Drag out. Sniper! Here, have some health, trooper. I got some medkit with me. Got him a kill. Easy kill for those enemies. This door don't lead to nowhere. I don't know what this door lead to. Maybe Corn himself. Oh, ammo. Take some all that. Ow! Okay, he tripped himself. Where's my reinforcements? Coming with me.
Okay, I'm ready.
I need some support. Well, I'm bringing two of you. Two of you, squad, come here for me. God, why everyone just... never mind then. Gotta be up top of roof after it passed. Heavies! That was easy. Be careful, guys. They have a lot stronger weapons. I know there's so many of them. Push forward, man. Oh, they have a weapon. Another grenade. Keep shooting them off, man. Okay, I think we clear. Well, I'm not sure. Oh, they're not clear. Get sniped. See the weapon? Oh, a lot of them up there. Take cover. Gonna be another one around here, must find. Reloading my magazine. What is this? No, not that. I taking them. That looks like a weapon I've never seen. Well, this look new. I love this weapon. I'm keeping those just to be sure. Okay, now we're clear. Now we need to get some reinforcements. And now, I think we're clear. Or are we not clear? Secure this place first. Secure it. Come on, troopers. I'm gonna die. We lost half of the squad. Ah! I don't need a bomb. I need medic. I found this pistol. I forget after from like over there. Anything else more? No movement. Except for one. Now we're clear. I need to grab some medkit for the enemies. I'm calling some reinforcements. Supposed to be need some droids. And gold battle droids. Need support to fit. But this door is open. Okay, I need to take cover. I need to call some backup. And the team we got to support. Oh. That hurt. Where's his support unit? Wait, where is my squad? I needed some more squad around. Well then, I already found some more troopers. I got some another backup. Right now we got some reinforcements, allied friendly battle droids old from the Clone Wars. And some support unit. Alright. Where did the infection came from? It came from behind that door over there. I get ready out stuff, man. You gotta be behind this door. So I got a lot of them. See what's going on. Okay. Move out of my way. Fall back. Fall back. Right here. Let's say they're already caving behind our door. Men! Puker! Oh, it's easy. There's a spitter. Let's go, let's go. Don't let infection spread. I see one. Medic! Oh, wait. When you find that little thing, the movement, I hear him. But where? Ow. Gotta be up top of a rooftop. So bright. What do you see? Like over there? Oh, there he is. Although thanks to your returning to the infections. Bean rifle. I take some. I need where's medic? There it is. All better. Now I have to kill that thing for the bring on the bigger guns. That thing is only a weakness in the back. It's down. Secure the pace. Secure the area. Did you never see that thing? That sounds like a lot. I pressed it in. Okay, fall back. I made it out alive. Secure the base. Actually, not secure the base. Secure the area. Before those things are spreading. I need help. There's another one. Oh, there he is. I do not know another one in here. I have a machine gun. Oh, there's only left. Those guys don't open the doors. Well, this thing is too big. Alright, men, you're coming with me, droids. Anything else is another droid? A commander? Nope. Just you guys. Our commander's already dead with it. Come on, droids. Jeez. Shoot him down to the floor. Prepare to go down, droids. Area secured. Where's the medic? Oh, do I need a medic? No. Alright then. No, no! Ah. Well, we'll have to wait to go back down. Or do we need a support if there's only 3 of your droids? I'll see getting another droid to reinforcements, just in case. Another droid? No, they're not going to respawn yet. Only have D3 droids. We need another reinforcements. Maybe not, or actually it's in more. Alright. Where's the other one? Okay, that's him. Super Battle Droid, the old jetpack Super Battle Droid. I need support. Okay. Okay, everyone, let's go. There's a commander who's already dead. Prepare to go down, droids. Now it's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of you coming with me. Yes, the rest of them will come soon. Teleport. Alright. It's not on a lot of them. Prepare yourself. Wait a minute, what is that thing? Focus on the big guy. There's a portal. Wait, how did they get their arms back? Wait a minute. What's he doing? Oh, great. Oh, great. That looked no good. Super bad droids. Ah, we lost some droids. Fall back. Oh, great. What is that thing? He's still alive. Come on, shoot him in the arms. Right, revive it back up. How do you kill the thing? It's so... Oh wait, maybe I can shoot him in the legs. And the arms. Okay, doing her thing. I need to place these bombs right in here. What the... something tells me why they're all purple. Does this give them another dimension? This looks, that's how the infection spreads. Dark Energon. How well I'll have to destroy the place before it's too late. And that thing will die. I mean, this weakness. Maybe I have to use... What do I have to use? Grab this thing? Ow! Well, I'll have to use this thing. Okay, that works. Get us out of here. Well, there's only way to kill this thing. Men, we are done here. Make this place a lockdown and no one entered this portal. This portal's still odd, but no one goes in there and I figured out to turn them off. No one can enter it. Understand, man? Okay. They all understand. They all know. Yep. I stopped it. And someone clean up this mess and secure the place and nothing infection gets spread. I set up the perimeter just to ensure. See, I want to secure this place just to be sure nothing else goes bad. Are you checking in there? There's this crystal is different museum. A droid stuck in the head in the ground. Enemy movement. None of them. And you're coming with me, just too good. And what's in here? Alright, that's lead to this door. Okay, get me out in the water. Oh great, after, well, I'm wearing a waterproof armor. I think I'm wearing an ink proof. I'm inkling, but how did I die from the water? It's weird, suspicious to me around. Got it in. See room. Alright. This base, this is secured. Everything must be checked, just to be sure. Do we need reinforcements? We got some droids. And we got everyone we need to guard to secure it. Do not let an enemy's infection get spread. And someone please figure out to turn off the portal. Anyone? Okay then. Good. I'll go back to the base, go back to the outpost, calling some reinforcements, just to be sure. Alright man, listen up. We're going to find the survivors in here. You're coming with me, squad. And you bring half these squads. And the banished is teaming up with us to stop those infections spread. Or Fault Boy, they're all guys supposed to know. Or I don't know who this Fault Boy is. But we're supposed to know who we up against. Understood, man? Well, the grunt's supposed to be helping us too with it. And a skirmisher just sent. Well, only just me, just by myself. Just me with my one inkling soldier. I'm closing the door behind her, nothing gets spread. There's everyone? Good. Nothing, those infection not gonna spread. We're going to find the survivors. There's not many of the survivors. We're all lost. This place feels so quiet. Not too quiet. Stay sharp. I can see your friendly movement like in your my map. But about it, I don't trust the banished or know what happened to my family. The darkness law slaughtered my mother. They're going to pay for that. But we are teaming up. And all people already dead. And we got company. Finish them off. Focus on the right side of Puker. Alright, we are clear. We lost somebody's squad. Let's go, man.
Let's go. Okay. You got it. Let's get moving.
Skirmisher, you're a good soldier. You're all still alive. And I got med keys. You guy wants some. All over you got it. We got company. Our squad's already dead. Great. It's only just me then. This place is a graveyard. I'm not alone in here. I got a shotgun. So ugly that thing is. Infections are not allowed to be spread everywhere, but they're kind of bit spread. But why are there supposed to be another infection spread? We cannot stop them, but no, we need to find a survivor and return back in the base. In order that we figured out to close the portal and end this nightmare. Stay dead. Maybe die. Maybe I don't know what happened here. No blood. Nothing else around. They just really die in here. Okay, nothing can lead to somewhere. Secured. Everything must be secured. Oh, great. I'm going back up. I see him. I got bigger company. That's lead to open it. That's lead to outside. I'm turning it off. Oh, all gone. Old things is hard to see. I like to be a darkness. Easy kill for that thing. So a lot of them. Oh no, not owners a lot. No owners, all of them. Oh, great, I got company. They're guarding. I'm blind. That thing is supposed to be new. I have to shoot him in the head. Those spitters. One cannot spin me that far. I need to heal. Oh, it's too close. That thing is down. I'm to secure this place. I do get up there. I got a jetpack with me. I can fly over there. Oh, that's a rough landing. Alright. Let's search around in here, find the survivors. And my squad is super bad droids for me to send reinforcements. Okay, let's search around and find the survivors. Door look open. Oh, we found the survivors. Help them off. They're citizens. Behind our door. I'll go in there later. More civilian. Super Bow droid found civilian people. The guys will hold them off. I'll go check around in there. Good work, soldiers. What the heck? What happened? Okay, looks like it came from in here. I don't know, that came from here. Okay, super droids, stay here formation.
I'm staying here.
You staying here.
Staying.
And secured. I'm gonna go in there and see what just happened. No things. She's fast. Easy kill. Puker. What the puker doing in the floor? What are those pukers doing in the floor? That was weird. Alright. So all of them sounds quiet. 5 interesting survivors. Nothing. Nothing. Okay, no survivors around here. Okay. We're good. We're good. Let me check down here. Okay, we're actually good in here. But none of them around. I need to go out there to get some reinforcement. Those infection that spreads before I know what possibly happen. Civilians is still okay. Super Bow droids is okay. There's only 2 civilian left. Actually 3. Out of all of them, there are more of them. Okay, let's check in here. Place looks scary. Okay, we got a problem. That's why I did not check. Oh, great. Kill that big thing. Oh, he looks mad. Ow. Okay, little guys. Placing down the bomb. Can I get up here? I'm gonna get back. I just want to get explode soon. Take cover! bloody great. We lost. Or were we kill it? Did I kill a civilian? That thing is still alive! Oh great. Maybe I accidentally killed them. Oh, he coming up. Ow. Oh, this thing is so tough. I need some help. What was that? Reinforcements, and he just killed them all. Another civilian got murdered. For this thing. Taking cover. Alright, 60. Why does this thing won't die? Now I found a weak spot. Now what's... Yep, it was a civilian. And what? Another one. Oh great. Oh, those things are fast. I can see in my light. I need to fall back. Guys, I need help. Okay, thank you guys so much for helping, but there's still more in there. Alright, there's X. How many in there to have? A little thing. Take on a puker. Puker down. That thing is still stuck. Aha! Really? So easy. That just doesn't. Is only target for me. That's you to get. Found another civilian. You just gave him nowhere, like over there. And then they're all dead. Great. Just great. Well, we're only found another civilian still okay. Like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and where's the other one? Well, they're all okay. Good. 3. There's 3. I'm going back outside. 4. Or is I getting lucky for them? I'll go back outside, get some reinforcements. Alright, perfect land. Alright. Time to activate the place and power. And I need some more troopers. They're all waiting outside secured. Okay. Alright guys. We're coming back in now. There's only not much of them, but we found the survivors. We need a ride to pick up. But we can find it. Or maybe just pick up right here. Goes outside. Just take them all outside with me. Alright, man. You're coming with me. We are going to check inside. There's only you left. Rest of the squads are dead. I got support from these droids.
Lead the way. Okay, I'm ready. You lead the way.
Okay, come with me, man. Right away.
You got it. You lead the way. I'm gonna. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, I got everyone. Let's go, man. Besides, there's nothing way to find the civilians, the survivors. I don't know. I can check over there, but they're supposed to be all dead. From here, that guy would slaughter us so bad. Not secured yet, but supposedly there's still more everywhere, spreading everywhere inside. Oh god! We lost some troopers. I'll go deactivate the power. Now the power's back on. Now I'll go all the way there to find a civilian, an innocent citizen. They're everywhere. Hold them off. Hold them off. I go find a civilian. Are we getting out of here? Power's back on. Now we take up my man out of here. Before those infection spreads. Before kill them all at his base. You there. You're coming with me. Actually, there's still more. They're all okay. Good. I cannot see what's going here.
Let's go. Let's get moving.
Okay.
Let's go.
Super droid, you coming with me? Why are you holding a gun?
You got it, okay? I'm ready.
Come on, everybody.
I've got my... Let's get moving.
How's everyone? Let's go back out of here. Good news, everyone. Good news. We found the survivors and we heading back to the same spot we just went. I got a jetpack going with me. Ow. I got jetpack. I could take everyone to safety back to the base. All the innocent people will come with us and do not die. Don't leave them behind. But you're supposed to be got infection spread. Well, anyways, let's head back home. Mission complete. Those banished soldiers are didn't. Oh, there's one, and okay, everyone's okay. Good, we're here. I'm closing the door. My guy, come on, close the door, and boom, we all made it. All right, everyone, all the survivors, let's go back home and take your new home. Where is he anyway? Oh, I think oh, there he will come. There will teleport, or maybe not. I don't know. Okay, let's get back home base. Mission complete.